In this support video, we will be installing the oven door handle. Your model may differ, but the process will be the same. To simply tighten the screws holding the oven door, simply insert a star-tip screwdriver into the inside oven door opening. To access the internal holding screws, open the oven door and remove the screws. Gently separate the two doors. You will find the screws holding the door handle on the inside in a bracket to prevent loss. If the screw is somehow not there or lost, replace with the correct size from your install kit. The door handle comes with a rubber gasket and the screws are fastened by the inside. Enlarge the bracket so that you may be able to place and lock the screw in place. Now, take your oven handle, align, and screw tightly into place. Close the two panels and screw back into place. You can also tighten the oven door handle from the inside. This completes the installation.